missing out on huge YouTube growth by ignoring external traffic? Today, I'll reveal how external traffic sources can skyrocket your YouTube views. Did you know YouTube Analytics clearly shows you exactly where external traffic is coming from? Understanding external traffic means more views, subscribers, and success. External traffic is an audience coming to your videos from sources outside of YouTube itself. Google, Quora, and Reddit are powerful platforms to tap into massive external audiences. First, let's talk about Google, the largest external traffic source for YouTube videos. Optimizing your titles and descriptions with SEO-friendly keywords can dramatically boost visibility on Google. Did you realize Google processes over 8.5 billion searches every single day? Ranking videos in Google search results can significantly multiply your views. Now let's uncover the untapped potential of Quora for your YouTube channel. Quora receives over 300 million unique visitors monthly. Imagine getting even a tiny fraction of that traffic. Answering relevant questions on Quora with valuable insights and linking your YouTube videos drives highly targeted traffic. But be careful, Quora is strict about spam, so always provide genuine value. Ready for an even bigger excitement spike? Reddit could become your hidden gem. Reddit boasts over 57 million daily active users, passionately discussing every topic imaginable. To succeed on Reddit, first engage authentically with communities before sharing videos. Selecting the right subreddit is key. Choosing carefully boosts engagement and reduces downvotes. Here's an insider tip. Redditors appreciate genuine contributors, not just promotional links. Regularly check your YouTube analytics to track external traffic performance and optimize your strategy. Let's quickly recap why external traffic matters so much. External traffic signals YouTube's algorithm that your content has broad appeal. This can trigger YouTube to suggest your videos more frequently internally. Imagine doubling your views just by effectively utilizing external platforms. But which external source is most effective? Google, Quora, or Reddit? Google is ideal for long-term evergreen video content. Quora shines for building credibility and driving targeted traffic. Reddit is unmatched for quick bursts of views and immediate feedbacks. Combining all three is the ultimate strategy for consistent YouTube growth. Does external traffic negatively affect your YouTube channel? Not at all. YouTube rewards videos bringing external visitors to the platform. Successful creators consistently leverage external platforms to maintain steady growth. Need proof? Many creators have seen their views skyrocket simply by focusing on external traffic. Remember, small changes in external traffic strategies can lead to huge results. Don't underestimate the power of consistent optimization and strategic posting. Take control now by analyzing your external traffic and refining your approach regularly. Have you tried external traffic strategies yet? Comment below your experiences or questions about driving external traffic. If this video helped you see the hidden potential of external traffic, hit that like button. Subscribe today for more expert YouTube growth strategies to transform your channel success.